Hello guys, welcome to Tech Space on XDN Ghana. Today we are going to look at how to make money using AI. A lot of AI videos have been circulating online and on YouTube, and they don't go into details in showing you how to make these monies. But today I'm just going to get you straight in there. Please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell icon to receive alerts whenever we post, and do share our channel with your friends. So let's get right into it. We'll obviously be using ChatGPT, which is the best tool for doing this one, and we are going to create a script from ChatGPT, and using that script we are going to go onto another AI platform and use that script to generate a video. Alright, so I posted this on ChatGPT for the AI to generate a script for a YouTube channel which shows how to make money with 5 AI tools for free. So the catch here is that ChatGPT is going to generate the script for me without going through all the hassle, and I'm going to go to another platform which is called Flicky AI, and Flicky AI is going to convert the script into a video with audio, and you can just upload that video to YouTube for monetization purposes, or you can best use it on Facebook or other platforms and make money out of it. Yeah, so you get where I'm going. Alright, so now this is the script that ChatGPT generated for the AI money content. Okay, so what we are going to do is I'm going to copy the video, I'm going to copy the script. Okay, and I'll head on to Flicky AI. So it's flicky.ai. Then I'm going to log in. Alright, so I've already made a few samples, but to begin you are just going to go to new file and you give any name. Okay, so let's say make money with AI. Then because you are going to use it for YouTube, you can leave it at landscape, or you can go portrait if you want to use it on your Instagram post or other social media post. You can just choose the aspect ratio of your choice. Okay, then start with, we are going to use idea prompt. All right, then you click on submit. So you have this pop-up from Flicky AI to input your idea prompt. Okay, and we are going to paste what we copied from ChatGPT right here. Then it gives you the option to choose the duration. Okay, so you can see if the duration is more than 1 minute, you would have to upgrade to a paid option. Okay, so we are going to leave it at the 1 minute, and here we have AI media, which will give you free access to images, but with video you have to subscribe. Okay, so we just maintain the stock media. Then we are going to go straight ahead and click on submit. Alright, so now Flicky AI is going to generate the scripts that we posted in there, and it's going to use stock images or stock videos to generate a video which goes with the scripts, and we can use it, we can modify, we can just probably do anything with the audio alone. If you have the original video, maybe you took your own video and you just want to convert the sound. Okay, you just need the AI sound, you can equally pull that sound and use the audio alone. Okay, or you can still go ahead and use the stock footage from Flicky AI, make some edits. It all depends on you. Okay, yeah, so for the free version, this is how you are going to go about it. Okay, so still Flicky AI is processing the content, and we are waiting for it. So guys, yes, you can subscribe to the channel and you can share the channel as well. Okay, so we have the generated scenes over here, and you can equally click on each scene, make edits where necessary. Okay, or you can just go ahead with the generated content here. So we are going to play the video. All right, so I'm sure probably it might be because of my internet or with the rates, but yes, this is the video. Okay, yes, and there are a whole lot of options for you to do over here. You can just remove the text. Okay, you can choose to um change the audio. You can choose to change the personality behind the audio. You can choose female, you can choose male, you can choose how it should sound like, whether authoritative, whether calm, or what have you. So you can just do all those stuffs here. This is basic video for you to just give you the overview, so you can go into Flicky AI and try all these tons of options on there to get the best out of it. So I'm just going to go ahead and download it. Okay, all right, so let's have it, let's leave it at the 720p and with the mp4 format, and click on start to export. Okay, so just as easy as that, Flicky AI is going to generate the video and process it for download. It was very quick, very easy, very simple to do. But if you need quality, if you really need to put out engaging content, you would have to do some few tweaks, make some few changes here and there for it to align well with your concept or your script. Okay, yeah, so once the video is done, Flicky AI is going to send you an email to prompt you that it has done processing, and you can therefore download the video. So yes, you have the option to download the subtitle as well, but I'll just go ahead and download the mp4. And guys, that's how to do it with ChatGPT and Flicky AI. So right on here, we're able to utilize ChatGPT to generate the script and use Flicky AI to convert the script or text into videos with audio attached. So yes, this is how to go about it. And now you can use this video in your shorts, you can use video on Facebook, anywhere else, and it's going to help you to monetize, and that's how you make the money out of it. Okay, you can equally have some running courses that you'll be generating these videos and be using them in your tutorial sessions, and you'll be making tons of money from it. So that's how to go about it. In other videos that I'll be posting, I'll be going into much details, okay, about how to make some of these AI arts, graphics, thumbnails, also much intriguing videos. So please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the videos that I'll be posting. Okay, so let's have a look at the final video with the audio attached.
Money online with free AI tools. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. In today's video, we're diving into 5 amazing AI tools that can help you earn extra cash. Whether you're a freelancer, a student, or just looking for a side hustle, these tools are for you. Let's get started. First up, ChatGPT for content creation. You can use ChatGPT to write blogs, articles, and even social media posts. It's user-friendly and free. Next, Canva's AI tool for graphic design. Create stunning visuals without any design skills. Third, Jasper for automated email marketing. It's efficient and cost-effective. Fourth, Lumen 5 for video creation. Turn your blog posts into engaging videos. Lastly, Copy ODI for AI-generated copywriting. Boost your marketing efforts. Like what you see? Subscribe for more.
Okay, so guys, that's how to go about it, and I hope you enjoyed this session. We are going to do much more in our next videos. Thanks for watching.